Sanibona bafethu uvani lo namhlanje ade ngibukela igame between Mamelodi Sundowns versus Marumo Gallants. So le game ke bafethu, to be honest, I wasn't intending to watch this game. Yabo, I wasn't intending to watch this game because I saw Mamelodi Sundowns as my favorite ukuyiwina le game le. But ke ngithe sengiyibuka igame ngabona ukuthi no man, Mamelodi Sundowns kahle kahle le game le indlela iMarumo Gallants ebeyiphethe ngakhona, indlela iMarumo Gallants ebeyipressa ngakhona iMamelodi Sundowns ngokwayo iyibona iwina le match, and indlela ebidlela ngakhona iMamelodi Sundowns yenze ama changes amaningi kule game. iMamelodi Sundowns ifake abadlali abaningi kule game, but they failed to beat iMarumo Gallants. Mukhumbula kahle vele seyibadlala neMarumo Gallants before bahluleke ukuyishaya. iMarumo Gallants, it looks like iMamelodi Sundowns ibhekana nenkinga bebeyodlala nale club le because iyabazi ngempela indlela engibabone ngakhona bedlala namhlanje. Even the red card esiyibonile etholelwe umdlalo waMamelodi Sundowns usafika bafika ngikhohle igama lakhe, ade kuba wazo Santos noma uba angazi, uyangikhohle igama lakhe, ungangitshela ama comments. Lo yamjida lo omunye ugqo number 7 ngiyambo uSantos ulo omunye ugqo number 10, lo omunye angazi noma uba ngazi noma uRajesh yini, but ungangitshela ama comments la. Igame iphele kuma penalty. Long story short, igame iphele kuma penalty. Ushwebile nje wabemfakile nje kwicover photo yakhona, ushwebile Musa Lobusa naye omunye wabadlali abashwebile bafethu. Angazi uAlende mfethu why besamshayisa ama penalty kwiSundowns. Like, I fail to understand why does this guy keeps on getting ama penalties, because hlezi izowamisa. I don't know how does he miss them, but kuyazenzakalela. Ever since ngambone lo mjide eshaya ama penalty for iMamelodi Sundowns, kubalekile uhlale ezoyishweba. And singakhohlwa last season iMamelodi Sundowns iyaphuma kwifinal. This season iphume kwi-first round. Last season yaphuma kwi-final against iMagis. This season iphume kwi-first round. Last season ungosikhathi iphume kwi-final baxosha ucoach uManqoba Mngqithi. Lo wenza kahle kakhulu with iGolden Arrows right now. Njoba bephume nje ku-first round, sifuna ukubona ukuthi uFleming Bev nabantu abahleli lapha phezulu koMotsepe yini abayihlelayo, yini into abayiplanayo. Ngabe bazomxosha yini nayo uMiguel Cardoso? Ama-fans awekho happy. Uma iSundowns ingadlali kahle, iBafana ayidlali kahle. Uma bedlala ibhola elibhedayo, because umsangano webhola lwade sibuka namhlanje sibe nje neqiniso, imali espendiwe kule scheme seMamelodi Sundowns, but bazodlala umsangano nje. Imali espendiwe, labadlali laba baphuma le kwi-Club World Cup, but they were playing pub football. They were being outplayed by iMarumo Gallants. Siya ama results lawe enwabonayo ama penalty. Kube le game bekuyi league match, kabe le game iphele ngedraw. Kabe nje iphele ngedraw ngo-0-0. But ke Marumo Gallants ikwazile ukuyithola iwin yani yama penalty. Mina nje ayingithusi yabo le results, ayingithusi. Mhlambe bayibona ukuthi mhlambe sebavukile ngoba bashaya iRichards Bay. iRichards Bay vele bahlale beyishaya nje iRichards Bay. Kungangithusi lokho. Yabona nje kweRichards Bay angifuni ukuyikhuluma. Bahlale beyishaya iRichards Bay. Vele ukudla kwabo. iMamelodi Sundowns vele hlezo ishaya iRichards Bay. Kodwa lento engiyishoyo mina, kumele axoshwe nayo uMiguel Cardoso. Sekulate ke manje. Yabona ke manje sekulate ngempela ke manje. Ngingitshela ama comments bafethu, nizwe kanjani le game le? But for me bengasiyona i-debut right for lo amjidelo wabafethu oqhamuka ePortugal. Yabo lo amjidelo wabafethu ube nebad, because yabo right now nje iMamelodi Sundowns idliwe nje and wathola i-red card futhi naye. Ogwesi wathola i-red card. Yabona nje uzoyisola kakhulu lo amjidelo wabafethu, usenkingeni kakhulu. Yabona nje futhi nje wakwenzeka ezoxoshwa nje uMiguel Cardoso.